Here, we may get some hail later on. I'm not thinking golf ball size, hopefully, but we may get some showers and storms on tap for later today. Radar's fairly active this morning to our south and west. Here in Ohio, central Ohio, you got to come in closer to see what's going on. Southern Fairfield County in particular, a few little pop-ups, even from the first time we checked. And then also in parts of Perry County, that's moved out of Hocking now. But this stuff here, south of Amanda and out to the northeast of Stoutsville, heading through Hamburg and Clearport, moving up to the north and east, all the way down to Buena Vista as you go a little further south from there. Going over into Perry County, I'd never seen Whipstown show up on the radar this morning. Good morning, Whipstown. Nice to hear from you. Moxahela also out toward Alabama Hill. A whole bunch of little places that don't normally make the map, but the showers are lifting through Perry County, heading off to the north and east. Those are all fairly light, and there's no thunder or lightning in that one in particular. Meanwhile, southern Ohio also being grazed. Lawrence County, Gallia County, Meigs County, all getting some little showers this morning. And there's an area here that's been blossoming over southern Indiana this morning that's getting into southwest Ohio now and is going to spread across the region as we go through the morning. Whole state is under a slight risk for severe weather for later today. A good chunk of Indiana, all of Kentucky, all of West Virginia, and a part of Pennsylvania. So the whole region kind of has that threat today as a cold front works its way into I don't know if you felt it, a little humid. Yeah, just a little bit out there this morning. Very sticky air. So as that rolls in, the two don't mix. And that's why we'll see some stronger storms probably later on today with hail and gusty winds the major threat. So warm and muggy today. Chance for more storms, especially afternoon and evening, but some rain and a few storms sneaking in this morning as well. And then a big unseasonable cool down ahead. Look at this muggy, misty picture out there. 73 degrees, winds are calm, and the humidity is about 90%, but lots of low clouds between our camera and the radar, and the ground. So you may see some patchy fog out there as you drive in this morning. Lots of 70s, in fact, very few 60s. Tuttle Mall and Galloway are both at 68. You've got 69 over at Blacklick, and everyone else is in the low 70s, 73 over at Gahanna. Central Ohio readings also a mix of 60s and 70s, leaning toward the upper 60s. 72 at Circleville, 73 in Lancaster with that rain south of there this morning. Mid to upper 60s as you go to the north. Mansfield and Findlay both at 65. 71 at Zanesville, 71 at Marietta. You know what? We may be looking at highs like this later on this week. That's how much things are going to change. For today, though, no change. Still about 80 at noon, mid-80s this afternoon. Yesterday hit 90. At least it won't be as hot as that. Regional picture, a lot of moisture to work with. That cold front still off to the north and west. So the model keeps all this stuff around this morning primarily to the east. We get some breaks in the clouds as we go into the afternoon. And then as we get later in the day, 5 o'clock, it's still thinking just spotty stuff, maybe a little more organized as we head to the late evening and early morning, but it should go through fairly quickly, and then cooler weather settles in really for the rest of the week. As we look at some of the temperatures out there for the rest of the week, we go from 84 today to 74 tomorrow with a morning low in the low 60s. Then the bottom really drops out. Wednesday, slight chance for a shower, high of just 72 degrees. Like we got lows like that this morning. Morning low is going to be down in the mid-50s. For Thursday, brightening up 75, mid-50s in the morning, so nice cool mornings. The AC gets a break again. 79 for Friday, and then for the weekend, a chance for a shower popping up on Saturday with a high in the low 80s. By Sunday, we're back in the mid-80s.